How to fix something went wrong error signing in into Microsoft account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Are you guys facing an issue whenever you're trying to sign in into your Microsoft account? If so, this video is for you. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. Now if you're facing issues with signing in into your Microsoft account, what you'll have to do is locate an app or inbuilt app called Services. For that, head over to the search bar and search for Services. After you find it, all you have to do is open it up, click on it, and Services should open up. Expand on that, and from here you will need to find something from Microsoft. So head over to the M section, and after you're on the M section, you'll find something called Microsoft Account Sign In Assistant. Tap on that and double click. After you open that up, you will then see an option called Sign Up Startup Type. Expand on that and choose Automatic. Then head over to Apply and then tap on OK. After you've done that, you can then restart your device once. And after you've done that, your problem will get fixed. And that's basically it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.